In this video, I'm going to show you how to get early access to trade crypto meme coins on Axiom Pro Trade. So there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever on Axiom, so make sure you check that out. And once you come to the website, you want to click Start Trading over here, and then you want to enter in your email and this referral code over here, which is required. So IHT, this is my referral code. It says invite code required. Just type in IHT and you're good to go. Enter in your email and press sign up. Of course, alternatively, you can also continue with Google or with Phantom. You can decide, but the best way is just to sign up with email and my code over here. Now, because I already have an account over here, let me just quickly log in, and I will show you how to actually start using this. There we go. So this is the basic website over here, and then as you can see, you can have the discover feed over here. You can see everything from deck screener. You can see the trending or in different time formats over here. You've got your filters. You can go to pulse, trackers, perpetuals, yield, your portfolio. You can get rewards by referring different people. You can deposit Solana in here or crypto, and then of course you can see how much you've got. You can basically just trade, track wallets, and all that good stuff. I actually have a complete tutorial on Axiom Pro on my channel, so make sure you check that out for a detailed tutorial. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.